I do more of the hard hits, hard pulls, replace panels and Bondo metalwork. It's been 11 or 12 years. It has a lot of benefits about it with the low profile and the detachable towers. It's nice to use. It's just easier to get on and off, and it's practical to use for other things other than pulling on, to use it as a lift or being able to tie it down and kind of create your own way to pull and tie down, and everything's nice. Being able to actually measure and know where your points are and know that it's correct instead of fitting up all the parts and everything, when you come time to assemble, then it's going to be in the correct spot. It seems accurate to me. It's nice how when you measure, you have a point to where if you're pulling, then you can go back to that reference point to make sure that it didn't loosen with your clamps or anything like that, so that you're being accurate about it instead of it being slightly off because of that. Yes, I know that a lot of different DRPs and like for the Mercedes certification and stuff, and you have to have car liner, I think, for that. Everything's in the same spot, so it's just convenient because it's all pretty much the same thing. You look it up on there and get the measurements. Doesn't matter which make or model or whatever, then it has it. It's a better repair, better for the customer.